Common Alliance actually is an engineering company. We work together with customers to solve their problem and also to provide solution for their new production line. Future production will be looking for more flexibility because nowadays the product cycle is very short. You have the flexibility, you also need to take care. If you have a problem, you want to recall, so the database is very important. The technology actually is very fast, so you have to keep on catch up with the new technology, implement the new solutions. Because the process include the assembly, include the testing, include the data collection. Because this one is configurable, so the data also is within our control. We can trace. I think the keyword is how to make this process is configurable, reusable. Because every industry is different, so their challenge will be different. But I think the most common one is labor. The other problem is aging. How the workers still can handle these heavy works. The people can deploy for the simple job, and some require more precision, more accuracy. Let the equipment do it for you so that you can get the repeatability, accuracy, and more output. So the first thing first is they need to identify what is their bottleneck. Then they can do some study what could be the solution so that they can implement. And then of course how to control the risk. When they transform, definitely there will be some problem here and there, how they overcome this problem. When you get in the new stuff, you don't want to train again. So the best way is you design the step, they just follow the simple step, then they can do the job. I think the most important is they need to think how to improve their productivity so that they can remain competitive in the market. Because you have to keep on improving.